Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything is going well. So for today's video, I have for you this fall inspired makeup look. I love this color so much and this combination is a must have in your collection. So let's get started. This makeup look, I already applied my eyeshadow base and I fill in my brows a little bit. And the first shade that I'm gonna apply is called Blur by meltcosmetics. I'm gonna apply this color with a blending brush all over my crease and a little bit in the lower lash line as well. Next, in the other corner of my eyes, using a shader brush, I'm gonna apply the shade Love Sick, and I'm gonna blend this shade in my crease and also in my lower lash line. And the brushes that I use are from Sigma Beauty. Most of them you can find in my brush set with Sigma Beauty, which is Melissa Samways' favorites. You can also use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in any purchase in sigmabeauty.com. To create the cut crease shape, I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer using a concealer brush. And next, I'm gonna apply the color Promiscuous in the other corner. This is a beautiful purple shade. I love this color because it's a purple shade with some blue reflect on it and creates an amazing effect in this makeup look. By the side of the purple, I'm gonna apply the shade Haze, which is this amazing red shade. Oh my god, look, this red is so beautiful. It's a very shimmery eyeshadow and the texture is very buttery, and I really like how pigmented and how it blends in the eyelid. And to highlight the inner corners, I'm gonna apply the color Bogart. It's very easy to apply and to blend in the skin, and look this color. Wow, I love the texture of these eyeshadows. The formula is so good and also the colors are so pretty. And to line my eyes, I'm gonna apply the gel liner Wicked by Sigma, one of my favorite gel liner ever. I love this color because it's so black, it's very rich in pigment and also is waterproof. And to conclude this look, I'm gonna apply a little bit of glitter in my crease and also in the other corner of my eye. I also applied the fake lashes Athena by Eyerisbeauty. I love this brand for lashes. And that's it for this look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't. Hit the notification bell if you like this makeup tutorial, and also follow me on Instagram. It will be so cool to have you there as well. And one more thing, don't forget to hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news of my channel. And I see you later in the next videos. Bye!